Imagine, this is what the tomato seedlings looked like when I got them a few days ago. And now, look at what they look like now. These are the seedlings that we got from Yujima's farmers market. So them basically look like them dead. But we're going to try and see if they will work because tomatoes are very expensive now at the market. So I'm going to try and see if I'm going to plant them and see if they actually live. So let's go. All right, so I'm going to actually dig some of this dirt because it's fertilized. It have horse manure in there. This is where I tried to plant the pineapple, but it never lived. So I'm going to try with the tomatoes now. All right. Poor thing. Cheese and peas. Man, mash up the already dead plant. All right, so tomatoes, as I said, tomatoes are expensive in the market. They're also very good for heart health, skin, bones. Oh gosh, I think this is... Here what? Watch till the end. I'm going to share all the benefits and key nutrients of tomatoes. They look dead, but we'll see if we can revive it. All right, so I have some water. I'm going to be watering it, and then we're going to see what happens. I'm going to take care of it for the next couple of weeks, and then I'll let you know the progress of my tomato plants. So you can look at it. So you can see the before, and then you'll see the after thriving. I had started to share the benefits of tomatoes, and I got distracted with my plant auntie duties. You know, I was planting, but basically tomatoes have antioxidants that support heart health. It also helps to fight certain cancers, boost immunity, and improves skin and eye health. It also provides fiber for digestion and nutrients like potassium for blood pressure. They aid hydration, bone health, blood sugar control, and may even reduce menopausal symptoms. The key nutrients in tomatoes are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and lycopene. It basically offers a broad health benefit from heart to skin to vision. So that's it for the benefits of tomatoes. If you can, be like me and plant some tomatoes in your yard. In fact, do better than me and plant them before them look like, yeah. Yeah, so there you have it. Remember to eat what you grow and grow what you eat. Grow what you eat and eat what you grow. Until my next plant auntie vibe, blessed love.